I like to think that if I was a styler, I would be a Platinum Plus. It's extremely important to regulate the heat on your client's hair. It's important not to take the heat too high, dekeratinizing the hair, almost damaging the hair from within.
In life, number 7 is my lucky number, but in hair, 185 is my lucky number.
With Platinum Plus, it is 185, which means that it isn't possible to damage the hair. With Platinum Plus, it's 70% stronger hair. It has twice the colour protection, which is massively important to me because I colour my clients' hair, and it means that I can recommend it and they're going to still keep amazing, beautiful colour.
I think diversity now in hair, all the different trends that are coming out in fashion. I think sometimes people want to have slick hair one day, wavy hair the next, and go out on the weekend with big full hair. And Platinum Plus means that you can do that and also not feel too guilty about putting heat on your hair each day.
With Platinum Plus, I love the way that I can create so many different looks, but because of the technology, the lasting power is insane.
Hair health is so important to me. I will get blamed if I damage my client's hair, and I do not have to worry. Whether it's backstage at a show, prepping somebody for the red carpet, or in my salon, you do not have to worry about that because GHD is set at 185.
I recommend Platinum Plus to my clients, and all the time, and I think it's so easy. The versatility of the fact that you can change your hair from straight to curly one day to the next.